Nangu abangibizanga kuma Victoria.
There's no need. I'm a superstars.
I'm a superstar.
Right, I'm a superstars. I'm a superstars.
Hey bazongishayela le ndawo. Ukuthi ngini superstars. Hayi ngisi superstars. Hayi ngiyadlala yo.
Usmoky P. Phela abantwana ngihle ngizikhulume ukuthi ngusmoky P.
Smoky P.
Yes.
Omoba.
Omoba.
Nango ke.
But wena vele bantu bathi ngumNigerian. Singakayikhatshana.
Bathi ngilingongongo.
Into lingongongo. Smoky P. Otherwise mntala.
No mina ngigrand.
Ugrand mntala.
Sweet.
From I think saying more than 7 days. Cool.
Yes.
Ngiyadinga.
Anti ngisebenzisa uNdorindwa.
As long ubambeke uNdorindwa vele abantu abalemali kumbe ama celebrity bafuna ukuncane konke. Lena yiba.
Ngicakile ayingeni kahle
uNdorindwa. Uthi maybe isafuna into ze athi kuze umuntu vele ngabona singasabambeki. Otherwise konke sweet.
Sabe samuhasla ndoda yo. Konke sweet.
Ama superstars ababona ngabanye.
Yes, ngama superstars. Lawebusa manje.
Alright, Smoky P.
Yeah.
Sike saba la ku discussion some other time.
Yeah, indoda yo.
Discuss.
Hey, sa discuss.
Mina sakuzwanga. Ngoba sa discuss.
Anti bathi mithongo uphinde.
Nathi abantu abadala. Alright, Smoky.
Right baba.
Mina vele ngiqava ngegame yeart mdala. Vele akulandi singayixoxa thina. Magenge iart imali.
Hey yo,
ukumjolo hayi ngokwabanye.
Sithi. No, ayi-art yona le.
Art yona le. Esikiyo. Ngiyalina ama big dogs ineliphethe yonke igame.
That's so funny, like, you know, people say that. Hey, Smoky big dog. I don't know.
Yeah, it is what it is.
I don't know if I'm a big dog.
You're a big dog.
No, you have to, like, if you're a big dog, you have to, you know, at least, you know, have something to show for it. Young told. Now I'm abangibizanga kuma Victoria.
There's no need. Pero nabakukhutha wena.
Abanginonethanga.
Thiwa awunominate, uyazinominate. Abakusendelanga yini ilink lana?
Manje award mhlobo bayi.
Hayi odi, mina maybe
la mfuna nominate.
Maybe ulilone bakawenza ukuthi bayakusendela ilink ukuthi chomi ngama awards lawo Vic Force ama wara so wena tshela abantu bekuvotele njenge artist umuntu uhamba udinga abantu dopa idoti ngeli awona.
Hayi ndoda yabona thini nxa usuvele wayiqala phela le podcast akusena ama intros la. You have touched a very sensitive subject kimi. Yabona like you know, I believe in ama Victorian awards.
Okay.
You know, it's a good thing ukuthi we have something like that. You know, and Utakaya, I think, you know, I've talked to him, you know, several times.
Alright.
Imtshela ukuthi no, brother, you've got a good thing going on. But I think, you know, kunendlela like, you know, these things have to be done. Yabo, like kumele kulandelwe ngakhona.
Yeah.
Ngoba it must mean something to me. Yabona award must mean something.
Very true.
To me, but it also must mean something kulo muntu ongayinanga.
Okay.
More than to me na engwinile. Because the award it's a challenge to Luana. Hey, I want to also get that.
Yeah. But pressure.
Right. Kumnandi uthola envelope ndoda uthiwa unominatiwe for this category, for this award.
Yeah.
Angithi not ukuthi ngizinominatiwe. Mina ngizibona ukuthi mina ngi right. Mina ngi best mina. Hayi.
Angazi maybe into eVic Force because asikwazi for real because kumele uyencenga futhi I think ukuthi bengicela limfake. Ungancenga ngiyawufaka sudinga abantu dopa idoti mvotela nini la mfukuyini award.
Ndoda let's see award manje mazinjalo to be honest.
Right.
You know, ama awards they have to be done a certain way. Yangithola kumnandi uba wazi ukuthi okay, let's say ku music for instance, music category ne. Kune ama departments ama achele ngithi. So you will find ukuthi ku music kule hip hop, right? Kulama producers, you know, kulama piano, kulani, kulabo newcomer of the year, upcoming artist of the year, kuningi.
Yeah.
So you need ama industry, you know, gurus ukuthi bakusho wena ukuthi for upcoming artist of the year thina sibona laba beyi4.
Yeah.
Because and you trust ukuthi laba bantu bayazi into abayenzayo.
Very true.
Uyabona. But mina ngingaziselecta mina ngithi hayi mina for producer of the year ngizifake lapha. Then akusena sindo.
But as for my understanding into lezi, that thing is auto or kumele, but I think kulabantu like to be honest you cannot say ngama awards. Kungela smoky, right man? Kungela smoky. Angithi kungela amanye ama producers like kulabantu vele kumele bebe khona ukuze into lani ibe injani idubuke, understand?
Yeah.
But ungafaka uthi ama awards eVic Falls kulabantu vele abavela baziwa from 2003 uzofika kathi njengabantu wena waqhaza from 2003.
Yeah, from good time.
I've been there.
You understand? And you're right. Uyabona into oyikhuluma asukufake kanje so let's say kunalo ndoda lo sithi ngubani? Sithi nguTitus.
Asithi
nangu Titus la uthuchile from Norway. UTitus uziqalele iproduction last week. Usuqasa ukuproducer ngoba uthengele ilaptop ngumbhuti wakhe. Seyiproducer. Ama awards sebuye. Then asezinominator yena for producer of the year.
Sethatha.
Angithi and then abesecela maybe unabantu abaningi abakhona ukuthi bamvotele. Then now he wins. Award leyana. Is it fair? It's not fair. So that's the reason why I'm saying ukuthi yes, I believe ukuthi into eyenzwa iVictorian Awards isharp. We need that. Yeah. Kodwa the way it's done, it's not a professional way.
Yeah, very true. Yeah.
And another thing I was thinking is one thing engenza ngathi let me pull back from this whole thing yama Victorian Awards. You find ukuthi sponsor, one of the big sponsors of the awards, la futhi nominated. Wapinda wawina. And it's not disrespect to big companies and stuff like Wild Horizons. They won. Tourism operator of the year. But they were also like a sponsor.
But if you sponsor mera ngube khona.
Right, because it's so a conflict of interest.
Noma wina so ngathi vele wins just because it's a massive because wena onjani.
Right. And so and is it fair yini? Like ukuthi bavotelwe ngubani?
Ayikho indaba nalo.
So you'll find the tuck shop of the year, Umalaisha of the year, hustler of the year, car wash of the year, angazi. Like ndoda mzanga of the year,
Kugot of the year,
mate of the year. But but where does it end? All right.
Stay tuck shop is the icon.
Yeah, icon tuck shop of the year.
But ngiyaqala ukuzwa ama hours la lo ngahamba internet everything akukho lokho.
So
but anyway, but right.
I'm not mocking. I'm just saying, make it make sense phela. If it's an award, ceremony, eqhakathekile izoba inabantu who are important, ababizwayo to grace that occasion.
Yeah.
So imagine, ukade kubizwa tourism operator of the year, so ngena uMalaisha of the year.
No, it's fine. Let's jump. Sizayibona because ngasinika stress. Uwasebenza lo Big Boy anjani?
I've worked with the
Kazange wathatha award yena vele. Kanti nominated akapha.
No, I don't think he was nominated.
It's Cypher. Ukosman Cypher futhi.
I worked with iBarbed Wire basically. It was Big Boy Hancho, Cypher. The IG was supposed to be a part of that as well.
All right.
But YSS so he ended up yes.
So those people wawasayinile or wawusebenza labo umbe under, but mina ngibona ngisizothiwa abantu laba under smoke because wosinomo ngadinga icollabo so kuthiwa mina umuntu onsayinileyo kafuni into zokulema phansi kwakhe.
Andabona abantu bazifundisa ngabantu yazi
ndoda mina ngalanda uBig Boy Hancho Big Boy Hancho awufaka wathi at the moment and was a kumiski at the moment my dog what I'm working under smoky piece so I can't my dog you have to go smoky no fine my dog
uyazukwenza ngisound ngani Illuminati
but uthona la
No, I signed. It signed the Big Boy, Barbed Wire actually. Right. I signed to, at that time, Amaja Isanwebela.
Yeah.
You know, for me, a little bit. You know, it's not good like I had a big bunch of money lying around and all. But at that time, I gave them it was $5,000 contract. And all.
Okay.
But it was like...
For how long?
It was a 5-year.
5-year
It was a
contract.
5-year contract. And I was like, okay. You know, trying to push my boys. And all. Because I've always believed in music.
Yeah.
Bro. And me personally, I'd never had umuntu to push me.
Alright.
You know, in my music from Gudala. It was always like hustle.
Right.
You know. But of course, you know, after a while, kulo munye umuntu ozothutsha ethi indoda ithi ngusize lapha and then so kuphambili lapha naseqalisa ukutshela ezinye izinto ezingane
Akusabalance.
kathi yini leyo uzuyicela.
Ayisayenzi.
You know, so mina basically what I wanted, you know, to do with when it comes to music, Heavy Force, I wanted to, you know, help my artist in a way that I felt like if I had been helped the same way, maybe I would have been,
Someone.
you know, somewhere better in Pirinam, you know.
Alright.
So yeah, I worked with the Big Boy Hancho, Msaifa, you know, before. And listen, I would like to address this right now. Yabona lento leyo ukuthi abantu bayibe bezombuza ngomsaifa. Hey, how is Msaifa? Msaifa is health and
Yeah.
you know, I don't know what's going on with Msaifa, but I you know, I know what he's better now. You know, ngeke ngahlana la and we had a good conversation and you know what there is, you know,
Something
yeah,
happened.
there's, you know, there's stuff going on there, you know, with respect to your family and him and people around him. I won't, you know, dive into those things, but everyone knows with Msaifa there's a situation there.
Yeah.
You know, he's not my problem. No, like for sure, like okay, I care about him. You understand?
Yeah.
But like, brah,
Babuza wena. No, kumele sibuze wena. Ngibona ngibuzile.
No, man.
Wena usayinile abantu. Sesingazi maybe.
Ansi Illuminati phela mina
maybe
ukuthi like
usacrifice
you know I want to
awuyazilalela.
yo.
Sesifuna ukusho mitama. But the thing is that when was sensitive up to why.
Yeah,
And
for
then
sure.
omunye usharp, omunye you know, going like this.
Yeah,
So,
but-
so you want sometimes you sharp to clear which I know man.
Yeah, nah, for sure. You know,
Nah, I'm not responsible.
I think he's in a bit. Listen, I think Katesi, you know, the Msaifa that I met, I think it was like a month or two ago, and he's, you know, he's a better guy.
Very recover.
You know, whatever is going on there. But like, say, like, I love that version of him. But yo, guys, Elini break.
Bengakubuzi.
Yo,
Yiko zamu ukuthi bengakubuzi.
yo. I think it's that big brother vibe. I think I have a big brother vibe.
Yeah.
That's seriously.
Kathi yasingoma lena kuthiwani? Ela napho yaliba ngumsindo lena.
I feel like
ekalokuze nini eka
I feel like you also think I'm your big brother. Hey Lina.
thina wasiyala kudala.
Ah,
Kotshela kahle ukuthi wena ungavuyi lapha lapha.
Hayi.
Ngiyasenza ngifuna ndakukhoma isikhiwa njengo pages. Wena gerara ye. Since vele wakuntu lona yo umuntu onayikhoma isikhiwa sisemncane you know yo niggas in the hood you know. I'm from America man. Give some sip. Chill nigga.
What you want, nigga?
Don't do that, man. I don't do that shit, man. All right. So no, it's for
Get out of here.
get out of here and your shit.
Get out of here, man.
I Zimbabwean. All right. So and then my question is, what happened to terminate the contract between you and Pages? Because by that time, kule ngoma lena nziwa hit song esithini iqom.
Oh yeah. Amatambo.
Ngophala ama lyrics, ngophala ama
Yeah,
lyrics.
Amatambo. Yeah, I mean, daughter, you know, okay, to answer your question, I didn't really terminate the contract, you know. The boys forfeited the contract, and told, you know, because they were doing their own, you know,
Stuff.
things. And like, you know, listen, at the end of the day, they are young, these boys, and told. They were young. I was also like a bit young at that time.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're all trying to learn. And the way I structured the contract, it was loosey-goosey. You know, it wasn't like a contract that was like
Asambe.
ungathi touch and go, you know. So okay, 5 years down the line, you know, it's a different vibe, and things are happening, you know, and then there's stuff happening with Cypher, and you know, it is what it is,
Kuphela kunjalo.
you know. And then I just kind of ignored it, Mina, because first of all, Mina, me and Pages were related.
Okay.
Yantol, sihlobene,
Isihlobo.
you know. He's kind of my uncle, but members cause
All right.
the age difference.
Okay.
You know. So at the end of the day, it's like, it was you know, I still have the contracts at home, you know, but it's like, it's that thing, you know, I think I was just trying to help them to be professional.
Okay.
When it came to music. Because just look at the way Vic Force is structured when it comes to music.
Yeah.
Bangaka abantu who are professional, like
it's
okay,
something
as an artist, like I'm an artist akhona.
Yeah, kula.
Bangaka abanama profile, like, you know, like Facebook profiles, professional profiles on social media.
Bakhona ukhatha.
Yeah, I mean culture is there, but it like bangai.
What you got la? It is there way. Kala profile. All right.
Usebenzi.
All right, no, it's fine.
No, but no, listen, but I think Kata does have. I look at it, my daughter. Kala.
Akula tekula.
He's verified.
Ute profile.
No, but he's verified, that guy. Kata is
Why?
verified, bro. Ule blue tick. I mean, I need a blue tick.
I blue tick and you pay. No, you pay for a blue tick. If you can number in ile mali yakho manje bhatala blue tick. Ha wena umethe
Why
ngitshele
but
manje.
blue tick?
Mina amfuni into zokuthenga mina. Mina ngifuna ama fans ami into zokuthenga those things, you understand?
No, but still,
I don't buy
if
fans.
at the end of the day you still have to like pay.
No, into liyana wena ungapusha. They approach you. Guys, mani nditshele if you don't know. Those things ungaba wena, they approach you. Bekufakele that thing. You don't buy.
Hayi wena.
Hayi.
Hayi. Yathenga, bro. So unama package for those things. I think there was a
Bafakela
time.
thini intandane. Nxa wena ufamous le mali yakho Usmoky P. Usmoky P la mina ngizothi Johnny Illuminati. Do you still remember? Nimisaba nje. Fika to smoke. Ufika ufuna smoke. Smoke wa Johnny Illuminati. No man. Fuck. All right. Nxa wa Johnny Illuminati, why do you mean? Uthiwa kha into azenza ama videos akhe into zone ziyana ukhangele plus. And then other thing. Uthiwa smoke udila lamakhiwo. Right? Udila lamakhiwo. Urani isikolo. Urani isikolo phela.
Nah, that is school. Not a school as such, you know. It was like non-profit stuff. Hey.
All right, wawunceda.
It was non-profit, like, you know, girl empowerment.
So and then ngafika machitini, Smoky is living a soft life. What cheese is Illuminati thing. Very high likabonwa. And then I went there. Ekasi lika Smoky. Afika amabandle gedini mina. Right.
Sengena ku Illuminati.
Sevile. Ngantwela iflash la.
Don't speak.
Ngantwela iflash I was like, no. Chong Smoke to Illuminati. Illuminati ngicabanga ulilweni ngoba tattoo. Yabona? Na fuck right. Sense yakona manje right.
Illuminati aslama.
Ngafika ngangena. Zwana phela. Ngangena mina angibona uSmoke yabona vele lapha yabona inyoni those things. Yabona vele that life, you understand? Mina ya beqinisile abantu la. Ngaphuma ngahamba mbuyelanga futhi. But mina futhi liqiniso into nawo ijoyinile Illuminati because yazi abantu bayakhuluma. By that time uthi uSmoke ujoyina Illuminati because uSmoke ehamba lamakhiwa rana ischool and stuff.
No, bra, inkulumo zabantu what is Illuminati? Ngiyazi Illuminati. Mina the only thing engizokutshela yona ngiyazi uyenza iKulluminati. You know, because ngiyayithanda inyama yenyathi. Yazi. But like, you know, like, but to be honest, like yazi ndoda kwesinye isikhathi ngiyezwa some things that people, you know, say about me phandle la. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi but yimi lo bakhuluma ngaye. You know, because you know when you'll be out there living your life. But kulomnye umuntu like who sees you differently. You are the way you live. I mean, like I was like, I was brought up in not even middle class. Just, you know, just poverty. Emarelwezi lapha neghetto, you know, siziphilela impilo nalesiyiphila. Hustler. Vele mina ninikwe mina ihustler of the year.
Awitholi yo. Victoria na ulitholi, bro.
You know, but like I hustled my way through life. Yantola. Ngahasila then you know God takes you from this point to this point, next thing you know I volunteered in orphanage, and you know, for like what 2-3 years or so. I can't even remember. You know, I was volunteering. I was making, you know, khonokho nganguthola $50, $100 a month. You know, just hustle. But then, you know, God opens up doors, and then boom, you've got this person, you know, who says, uzongispanela.
Alright.
You know, so I became a coordinator for a non-profit organization that was working with, you know, girls empowerment. You know, so I did that, but I was working through the arts, because we understand the arts.
Yeah.
So I did that, you know, for the longest. Most of the money I was making from that, I was putting it back into the arts, you know, because I was trying to build this studio, and you know, music and stuff. And then boom, you know, back lawyer.
Bathi bakuloya yini bathi smoke bona abantu kathesi ngasebenzisho kathesi bathi smoke wajoin into liyane Pillars of Life kathesi I think wayesefuna ukukhwita isimsinda yabo wawa back to zero.
Guys,
mina
ngikutshele, to be honest,
ngiyakuthe clear ukhona lapho smoke.
To be honest, I wish I knew ukuthi kujoina ngapi lokho kwizinto kwe-Illuminati lo. Ngikujoyine ngithathe yonke.
But azonga mbicha very juju mbicha or something.
No man, like, you know, I've always made an honest living, and I love my peace. I love my peace of mind. And you know one thing, I love to enjoy $1. You know, just $1 engiyami engispanele or engiphiwe ngumuntu kahle kahle, you know, no crumbs in the Burkina Faso. You know.
Asikulo nje approach ni Burkina Faso. Approach. Asikulo wathi njana nje imarinasi lapha. Kuya ngapha. I never know. This art is here.
No, but it happens, you know. It happens. Like good world of art, yeah, arts, and it is what it is. You know, you get those kind of things. Yeah. But it's up to you, Uti. You know, do you want to sell your soul for that? Or you know, is it something that you want to do for
a living?
5 seconds of fame or what? I never did that. I mean, I was doing like honest. Yonki Maliam, I can account for it. I worked here, I worked there, I got my money. I worked with, you know, UNICEF. You know, I did some work for UNICEF. You know, it was honest money. Yeah, I was making honest money.
Okay.
You know, and then when I check almost all the projects that I ever did, I don't think there's any one artist who can come and say, because Nancy Zomandi, I was smoking Dora. I would smoke when the music video yadura.
Kumbo yala uti ingoma kele shit yamba.
No, like
sometimes
I want to, like, of course I will, like, because like, okay, umuntu would come to me and say, smokes, don't shoot the video, so. Okay, cool. Tell us ngoma yakho. I'm like, ngoma bani rale. You and
usizwa phakathi night down the bed.
I don't know why. No, Naida is a good producer.
He's a good producer, right?
Naida is a good producer. I just didn't like, you know, what he said. But I think he was joking.
What?
You know, who podcasted.
Who did?
The best producer, new.
Wena. Asiwaye ngadlala. Wathi yalidlula lonke la afuna ukubhikiswa.
No, I feel that.
Wazi wasukuma wathi amfuna ukubhikiswa yalidlula lonke.
No, and it's good. You know, I like his confidence.
Okay.
You understand that? But you know, with that confidence, you have to back it up, you know, with something. Because at the end of the day, it's like, but also, I don't know. I think there's a thin line between like confidence and what is it? Is it ego?
Ego and bluffing. I know, I'm joking.
Well, you put words in my mouth, but I'm just saying, Woody. No, I believe in his craft. He's a good producer, but you know, anti-bibility, you know, pride cometh before a fall. But that's what I'm saying. My face. I'm doing Illuminati.
So when I was out to tell you abadlula bonke, but maybe no,
it's good.
So sebenza lo umjida okwenza ama song urise boom. Marvelous.
Listen, at the end best. Yeah. I don't know why.
No, he is the best producer. Just because he is the best producer. Because uspana lo muntu wayenza ama hit song.
Yeah, but there's another guy who also said that. Can't remember Utimbani.
Okay.
You know, Akuluma Uti and he's like the best producer. I don't know. It's like every producer, you know.
No, umuzi la ngiwathi kuthiwa ngalizithi ngasenzi AI, which means I'm the best producer. Ngalizithi ngasenzi AI. Ngomunye producer wacho lo night abayidu. You so far.
But only almost is he a producer or an artist?
And kuthiwa lina yine lead. What producing ingoma lena
no, I mean I
robot.
I said it and I still stand by my words and like listen, at the end of the day, if he wants to prove me wrong, I've been waiting.
Where rekoda lapha ingoma lena sile project ithi asizalivula after this
and you know what produces
isithi freak shit
so ngamazambi
no mina yamazi producer wakhe
yamazi
so but when I smoke
but I see voice yakhe lana bra. No, come on. I have his projects like studio. Come on.
Asezizamezi big dog sasimkhuma every day channel la. No. Uzazincane.
Next.
I'm a superstars. All right. So, what's the next one? When umuntu wathi uyakudlula uproducer. Phela mina futhi uthi wena uyakudlula yini. When ulama songs
baningi abangidlulayo. Like honestly, I've never considered myself as like the best producer in any form, in any, you know.
Kanti umuntu othi best producer ngonjani? Umuntu wenza good music, umuntu wenza ama hit song.
I think umuntu wenza ama hit songs. You know, if
he's like, a good producer.
Yeah, I mean, because at the end of the day, it's like, you know, how are you like the best producer if you've never made a hit? You understand? Like, you know, you are the best producer because you've got, you know, a bunch of hits. You know, Maybach Music. Those guys can call themselves like the best. You know, yeah. We're the best music. Yeah, because they, you know, and the numbers. If you go online, the numbers they tally. You know, but you're from Vic Falls, China. Do you know, Nina? Oh, let me be honest. Do you know if there's one producer in Vic Falls who can claim that title? It would be DJ Chuchu.
Right.
I would give that title easy to Chuchuma. You know, like there's no producer in Vic Falls who's been our export. As I export any producer except for DJ Chuchu. Nchela one. Give me one.
Ukata kuhamba kubulawa. Waqaphi masuwela.
Export.
Sa export apeli masuwela kwa
qaphi passport ni kubulawa. So I jalo bribe. Usozo bribe ukuyakubulawa. I know.
Yeah, but Chuchu is the best,
you know,
so far.
Yeah, and plus, you know, the numbers don't lie. You know, it's on with Umishi, you know, yeah, and then, you know, obviously Zandi is under Zandi Maz now, you know, because of, you know, whatever, technicalities, music, you know, it is what it is. But come on, you know, if it wasn't for his production skills, and I think he had another guy, our producer, like that song. You know, it's sitting on 1.something million views.
Yeah, I think
there
two because there's this song and he's worked
with Mafikizolo.
The song I
he's worked with top names. I mean, I haven't. You know, now the closest I've ever done to working with a top name is Toki Vibes. You know, because I did a music video for him. Back in the day, but I showed a music video, you know, but that's not like production. It's like I'm directing.
You're directing.
Yeah, so I can't claim that spot.
All right.
To be honest, but Smokey was the first, or one of the first producers.
Best producers.
First, not best. First producers in Vic Falls. Yes, Nyavum. I can take that spot.
So you are the best, yeah. You are the best. So first, which means when ulento yonke. Because also kubuya kathezi konke ulako ekhonda. Kokudala konke ulako. Ukoma disc ulako, ama cassette ulako. Plus wakathezi AI. And then so lo muntu cassette.
Ngidisa but ungangidisa. Yazi ndoda lo sengifake kuma cassette lo. Azofake kuma cassette. But anyway, but anyway, yes, you know, hey, don't do it. Well,
ama-style wonke, you know, I'm trying ukuthi ngiubeke ndawonye kube into one, yabona. And that's what umuntu obeka test sengena online bese senze AI. And then he says I'm the best. Yona izinto ngizama ukukhipha lapha. So namele yabona uklepelisa.
Ngiyakuza.
But sesifuna ama hit song kathesi manje from you. Yabona imethe yangona.
But ngalizama guys, you know for Vic Falls ne. Ngalizama guys, ngalifaka la bemephini. Ngalizama.
Wasamba bese.
Hey. Ghetto 7, I did some productions for Ghetto 7, but you know, ngesikhathi sanse Ghetto 7 wasoqala, you know, other, you know, small studios here and there yabo. So some of the songs babes record kwamanye ama studios, but I think when they started the career yabo, it was me who started the Ghetto 7.
Okay. Kese village ngubani?
It was you know those tall guys. They were all tall.
Ubuthi umlwana udrive what? Ngumunye ngona.
Costa.
Mina ngifudinga.
Then there was yeah, you know, Ghetto 7. Yeah, I think I was the first.
Costa wa rapper yini? Costa wa rapper yini?
I even showed a music video.
Costa wa rapper yini? Mina kuzi tracking ngalizo Costa wa chama hlahla so le beat ku city so ku separator. Kwaku Ketla. It was Kettling. Oh, no, I'm joking. Costa siyamfuna egamini futhi because angeke sithi uya rapper kade then sibaleka yini.
No, he's busy, man. He's a
yeah, no, you are busy, but you know, uthanda ingani la ubusy lama busy.
Yeah.
But it's a creator oyabona uyi some yabona artist feel small.
Hayi, artist.
Especially in Victor there's no rappers.
Like Akulachi.
La. Lo it's international. Because yithi nje into zangihamba international ziya affect abantu abanye.
Idiya kumela ngekandi.
Okay. All right. So kumnandi kunjalo. So Smoke wena decide ukuspana lo madogo.
Yeah, you know, listen. Like I say, izinto zenzeka empilweni yabo.
Yeah.
You know, life, you know, took its own turn, and abantu bathi awusmoke hour, you know. But most of the time when people say that, you know, they are talking about income yakho. They're told, smoke hour.
No, not income as such.
I'm saying.
Not income as such. Akula mntu ayikwazi income yakho wena. Now what they are saying lapha na ukuthi everyone smoke
sithi wena what ufike endlini lapha engangihlela khona wacoba nje ilumnandi khuluma ngenyona ngabe inyoni le kanye
someone on fit or something, you understand? Ngathi ngisuke endlini ngisiyale ngahamba vele ngilani ngile vision yamuthi into enza ngale sengahlangana ngena uthola ama tattoos inyoka you know those things.
But that wasn't me, you know. I have not like zero tattoos and nyoka.
Yeah,
you know,
ngiyacho nje phela uthi yabo. But abantu ngabe sithi wawa wena uthini Smoke?
No, I mean it's true, you know. The amount of money I used to make back then, I'm not making it anymore, which is, you know, that's human nature and all.
Yeah.
And like I'm for no utshela banga banga. Ngazibona ungumuntu ungabelieve ukuthi baloya. Baloya phandle.
So Smoke uthi waloya wena.
Wena. Baloya abantu. Masala.
Smoke uyaloya mbani life. Don't abaloya. Sometimes we believe ukuthi suloyo, but sometimes it's life. Ila feel ama up and down.
There's that, you know, there's that, and then there's the other, you know, the podcast, man. And then there's the other shit, you know, that happens, you know, in life where you're like, yokufana ukuthi wena uthi hayi abaloya abantu abaloya ubusushokwa istofu segas.
Susifo. Bese uqhamuka inyawo.
You know, uzothi awushokwa istofu segas wafa.
Yeah.
It's a gas, it's connected to your magazine. No, it's connected to but simshokile. You understand? Uzoba nenkani until you know something happens to you. To be serious, like, you know, what was happening in my life, you know, I came to a point where like I had so many questions, you know, mostly like but God, like seriously, like what's going on? Small things would happen and then it's like keenly, well, you know, I know maybe it's just a mistake, you know.
Yeah.
I misplaced this, I misplaced that, you know. And then you know, but there's jealousies as well.
Yeah, very true.
You understand? You know, people will do certain things just to bakuvalele. certain opportunities, and people who are jealous, they'll always go behind your back and then they lie and they lie and they lie because they know good when you don't have time to waste about
yourself.
or trying to protect your image.
Yeah.
So sometimes you just let it go. But then over time you've lost this opportunity, you've lost that. You start counting. Shit, now I've pretty much lost a lot.
Since your pants. Yeah.
Do you understand? Until you seek help, and I'm not ashamed to say God literally came through for me.
Right.
And I was shown whatever is happening in your life is because somebody did something to you, and that person came and they confessed no, yimi ngayenza kanje so that your into zakho zingavali, and so that and it's life, and then you have to try and pick yourself up from that. So ngithi balo angigetseli ngikhuluma ngokuthi like someone will come to you
and
like
tell you,
someone came to me and told me, no bruh, I did this to you, ngayenza kanje so because of A, B, C and D.
Okay.
Alright, ngikuphikise wena.
Bizwa ngomjaha.
Ungabuya wena haya.
Abina nje ngawubulala mfungoko.
Yeah, but ungakubulala then ngubani uzothukunula izibopho zonke lezo.
Yeah. So wena wasenje wangambopisa.
Yakuyizwe le saying ethi uzothola ukuthi ulaka alusolve wonke ama problems.
Yeah, it's very true.
The day a mosquito sits on your testes. Nah.
Ayajali manje. Kungela mntu uzawo
uzothi hayi mina ngiqani mina kwawa ngize. Yiko lapho uzofunda khona ukuthi hey ezinto ulaka
beka phansi.
Yeah, and that was I used to be that kind of person, like enganyingani, like I was kind of short-tempered. But now I'm more chilled, and thanks to cigarettes. No. I'm not endorsing. Hey, don't smoke cigarettes.
Oh no, smoke because of reason.
But like I started smoking because I was fucking stressed, bro. I was in a fucking bad space, and I didn't know how to cope anymore because it was either that, drugs, or suicide. But then I've got a wife and I've got kids, so if I die, and then what's gonna happen? So it's like, okay. And then one day I just smoked a cigarette and like I just zoned out. I was like, dang, But it's a habit I need to kick out as well, But it's gonna take a bit of time.
But nakufuni phela sokwenziswa ama situation.
Kade sengufuna. Not wena.
Anza into yangifuna mina.
Imone blush.
Hayi, indoda manje. Mina indoda mina.
Athi Illuminati. Athi Illuminati.
Yazi sometimes I want to
Illuminati.
Uyabona umuntu. Abantu nxa bekhuluma manje smokani, yuthi babe ngakwazi uwenza usingemva wakho into yabo uzithwele wena uthi usindwa kangakanani. So umuntu esithi lo nje alo kasela ncedo lo swawa lo njani, understand?
Yeah, and people.
So what happened to the studio? In studio was since
I gave it away. I didn't sell it, like what some people say. I'll smoke what things equipment. I gave my equipment away, and there are a bunch of guys Lapa, who I won't mention their names because then so Nyabalulaza, but they're guys like maybe if it's up to them, because your podcast is still open, maybe one day one or two of them will come and tell you, hey, yeah, who Smokes gave me his monitor speakers. Smokes one nigga, he condenser mic. Smokey gave me this. I gave it away. You know why? Because Lami, at some point when I was trying to build my studio, most of the stuff that I had, some of it I bought, but most of it, like, I was given by people some people who believed in what I was doing.
Yeah.
So I gave it away, because, and also I gave it away because,
Oh,
I think this is kind of selfish. Selfish. I gave it away because I wanted, because I love music so much. At least if I go to that guy,
also will understand.
he's gonna, open his doors, to me, and but most of them, they didn't open their doors.
Unfortunately, abasabambe.
Yeah, but it is what it is. But
Yes, but they was a pillar.
I never gave him any of my equipment, but Maduku has been, he has been like a young brother to me, a little brother to me.
Yeah, amaduku lenhliziyo sharp.
He's opened his doors, and listen, to me, Maduku, and like Uklata, I'm still here to like sweat in his studio.
Oh, Uklata is born, is born as a fan.
Yeah, but these are the boys.
Acho wenhlupha uJomi lo.
Ngiyakwazi angijana ngizwa lishawutana la. Uklata wena cici light lapho. But but
Uklata abantu abaright yabona. Kulabantu elife yabona. Kulabantu othi elife ngeke kubalahle noma ungathi sokunjani.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Kulabantu othi uyaphila la uthi uJomi lo. Yabo.
I started hearing about Uklata, like, ngingakabi mazi.
Liyalwa lapha lilungise lapha nilwe lapha.
Chuchu always used to say your name. Back in the day. Uklata. I was like, hey, okay. Because one thing about Chuchu is a vibes guy. Yeah, well, Chuchu goes where the vibe is. And when Chuchu is, no, that guy is a good guy. You have to take his word for it. So, yeah, when I met him, I was like, yeah, it's a good guy. Anton.
Yeah, it's for sure.
So Maduku, I know Maduku is family, man.
Right.
Maduku is family.
Phethe kuhle.
Siphathane kahle nomfana nami man. See, yeah, we've got our issues. Yanthola like brother, like brothers. La ungathola lapha fana lawe lo class. Lapha but eventually we have our own way of solving our problems
and move on.
Unlike you, I win.
Yeah.
I win when I lost cause.
Never see right bona.
Yazi mina angazi ngibe lo mna wami ungisola everything. Yazi le indoda le ngisola yonke. Ngiyakutshela mina. Yazi sengingasuza la. Asole lo ukuthi ngisuze njani. Ya, msuzu wakho lo wayiphika. Wayi ungazange wafaka ibase mbijana. Ngizwe ngawe mina. Busy.
All right. Well, kule nyi sike science discussion. Singasitshela lokho kunye lokulandaba. Uzokhuma lokho. Sike saba le discussion some other time lapha studio lapho. Angithi sike sathi cha. Lokuzeni imo company laqala lasibana njani before siyayiba imkombe enkulu.
Oh yeah. Hayi mkomba.
This is emhlanje bheke uchana lezinteke umyahambe uchiye.
With the Mokomba, the story with the Mokomba mina iyangizubuhlungu because I hate talking about it kakhulu ngenxa yokuthi I'm trying to bite into their spotlight. But listen, history is history. You can't change history because it doesn't, it makes you feel uncomfortable. But ngaqala lawo bafana la. You understand? From back in right after Mujimba, because they Matthias used to, I think he was a backing singer for Mjimba.
All right.
The late Mjimba, may soul rest in peace. And when they came to me, Costa chaya my drums.
All right.
Matthias was just trying to get into industry.
Right.
Ayenze abe like a main artist or something like that. And I at first I didn't understand what, the type of music they were trying to do in Tola, because it was mostly it was Nyanja, it was Zambian,
Chewa, something.
And I was like, yo, but I managed to fuse it with a lot of other elements, like I was biting from Mafigizolo,
stuff,
biting from other, and then we built but Ibizolavo.
So since when city yengakabi uthe sese Hello Africa ngithi.
Yeah, it was Hello Africa at that time.
Okay.
And I think it was just experimental, at that time. And then They did the Chibukuro to fame after I did the mixtape, you know, their first mixtape, you know, songs like Njoka, Misozi, Stepmother, yeah, and there was at that time there was Prince Kondowe.
Okay.
You know, Prince Kondowe was one of the, I think he was one of the writers, you know, on that.
Okay.
And, but you know, I was shocked when they moved from Ihelo Africa to Mokomba, you know, because those songs were still there.
Right.
But Prince, I don't know the politics, but
Obviously, go art.
you know, and it was Prince and his young brother, and both of them were no longer part of the group.
Okay.
You know, but Kufani, you know, I've seen Amanyama interviews, Mokomba, and they never even mentioned my name. You know.
But you were there before.
Come on, I was there, you know, and I've also heard them. They went to school together as a group, and
Smoky Gaseko.
no, I mean, I didn't go to school together with them. Like, obviously, like, you know, I'm older than most of them, but it's the idea what you know, this band was formed at school. That's not true.
But when you were there, we are
I was there when it was formed, you know, and if there's anyone only, you know, issue about it, I will like podcast, you know, and bring facts.
Why atinges? Why don't we cruel nyana what?
No, but you know that's the problem. You know, especially with Big Falls, and I think it's because it's a small space. You know, it's a small legal town. Yeah,
but does Matthias write like music? Music.
No, Matthias doesn't write music. Okay. But Matthias is a freestyler. You know, he's a very like spiritual singer. Matthias, you put a beat and then boom, top. You know, it just lights up and then he goes. Yeah,
all right.
So that's just who he is.
All right.
Yeah, but to be honest, Vic Falls, that's the reason why. Vic Falls, it's not because we're just a small
town
place. It's just the way I'm an artist handle music. Look at Harare. Look at South Africa. Look at look at other places, the States. You know, I'm an artist are not ashamed of the background yabo. They're not ashamed of their history. You know, because that's their roots.
Yeah.
You know, mentioning someone who was a part of your journey,
exactly.
It doesn't make you less of anything. And you understand?
Maybe can't be at you Smoky was there was funny mal or was a funny shares.
That's the problem. I feel like or maybe maybe who's started light. You know.
Vela abantu force me be no mentality ngoku into enhla ngipoputela mina.
So it's like ngicimela ikhandlela ukwenza ukuthi lami lishine bright. You know, but then you realize then at the end of the day when uzobuhamba lokuyikhandlela kwakho kuyi1.
Maybe ba usacrifice.
Umoya ungavela ukuthi fuso kumnyama for all of us.
Maybe zibo ba usacrifice zayo chomba.
Nah.
But when how do you feel uthi like I want to go push at the end of the day bona sebephuma sebegadi ndege sebekuchiya sebehambe America?
No, I don't care about ugadi ndege. Sengagadi ndege ngaze ngakhathala, bro. Like I used to fly, you know, and there's nothing special about flying, you know, except for what you're in a different space. You're in a different place. Exposure is good.
Yeah.
The exposure iqhakathekile. You know, ungajayili okuyi-small ndawo. Ukuthi suka la ngimacross. Suka eMacross ngiyisika. Suka lapha ngiyeshapini. Suka eShapini.
And uyabu limited engqondweni.
You know.
Into esibulala futhi la.
Futhi.
You understand?
Do you know ukuthi mina I've had conversations with people, you know, in their late 40s going to 50s actually ukuthi either they've been Emma Falls. Lapha ngikhuluma out of Victoria Falls. Ukuthi Emma Falls, the Victoria Falls, wahamba ka1 in his life or in her life. Or akakaza hamba.
But umuntu wakhona.
Kodwa born here, local. Yabe wezwe khala so ebusuku. Uwabona la ifoni.
$7 kuphela. So you guys, if it was you are ignorant, you guys you don't care. You don't care, like you guys, I'm a producer. You don't care about the youngsters upcoming. You don't care, you guys. I mean, I'm smoking me. I don't give a fuck.
Sibabhabhuleni.
Yeah, I don't with this one.
Sibabhabhuleni.
But Smokey, there's this thing. Into late. Maybe wenza ukuthi mokomba beqinile. I think wonke umuntu ama-artist efuse bale mentality yona leya. Uthi mina I don't work with this one, with this one. Because if you check now to say tuna right imokombe njana ngahamba thi ngicela collab nganganika.
I don't know. Angeke ngabakhulumela. Honestly.
But sebele imali ino Chombako.
I don't know about their, ama finances wabo, but one thing I know is those guys have I think it's an international management team, yabo. So team yabo is big, bro. Team yabo is big. So I don't know how easy it is to access, ngafuna ama collabs and stuff like that.
But abanye ama-artists beleza ukuthi awujaphezulu mention chitungisa. So nje ivifuza umile sibeka it's a small town. Hayi umathazule endlu lapha. Uloze nolendlu lapha. Yawona ukuthi la nje uyakwazi ukuthi uzivanele. Uprince ngumpilwana seHarare kade.
No, that's uTrust.
Oh, lona nguTrust.
Trust is the one with the studio.
All right. If
No, Trust is doing well. Trust is doing well. He's an international, internationally acclaimed, artist, guitarist. And I worked with the Prince.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Trust, back in the days, when we were young, fundela, keyboards and stuff like that. I used to go to his place and stuff. And it was beautiful just to watch him grow, into like this international
standard,
artist. Because since kati wanatshela umuntu ukuthi utsho mlo
ngiyaspana la.
Awuspana nyamazi umuntu lo yesongani la jadumela le.
Yamunyela.
Njengomamunyela.
So umanage njani mdala like art because uyabona ngawo le family art namageli ke lo geli sizibona ukuthi chazi road lapho ngano smart njengawo so.
Not even. I think I don't know, like I don't think ladies see me in that light. Maybe they do, but they never tell me.
Umngane kakhatha usmoke.
Yeah, no, but to be honest, angaze ngihluthwe ngabocheri mina. But my wife, there was one incident eyenzakala. So there's a music video engayenzayo engomotho bedroom. So when I released
ikhona no YouTube.
Ikhona nice there and very I have no regrets. I have zero regrets. Because very lani video lana it was supposed to be way more than that. It was supposed to be an erotic, song. Ingoma yothando phela liyani. And it's really talking about his I'm an artist. At the end of the day, kumele portray art in its purest form, and I had to dumb it down. Yazi nayenza ukuqhuma ezinye.
Bakhiphe izinto ezingane ziyesabisa.
Yeah, but zazingasabisi kangako. But like for people, listen, abantu kade sibabhiza abantu babuyelana lo thomba no adulting, about the polygamist,
Yeah, that one is South African product. You are from Vic Falls. Zimbabwe culture. Yabo?
Which would atha into
thina mele sibe senze adula yokusolana uphela khona pha ukubuyiselana ukuthi azibalwane ngakwazi ingoma ke doti
ayindoda umfazi wami wayefonelwa ebusuku ngabantu I'm just checking up on you after I release lani video check up ukuthi uyini yakhe wena
ngabantu abanjani
yeah, because the thing that people don't understand is mina and my wife, like, and I was blessed to ukuthi uNkulunkulu wanika like umfazi who understands the art.
All right.
And she knows ukuthi okay, la umuntu wami wenza kanje, la umuntu wami
ukawangena uartini yena.
No.
All right.
But come umfazi ka president aso first lady.
First lady.
Uko campaign
campaign. We have a campaign.
We have a campaign ngathi. All we know is if is ka president. But mayisengeni lo president sesibona na first lady umfazi wakhe lo. You understand what I'm saying? Same as umfazi ka prophet kuba umuntu ngubani?
Prophetess.
But as umuntu abehambele entabeni wayenza lokho la lokho mbani. mdala yabo
wafaka umfazi endaweni
yeah but umfazi vele umsebenzi wakhe uyakufunda wena. She learns you every day. She knows your every move. Wazi ukuthi amasocks wakho angaphi. Ukwazi na uqamba amanga.
yawo
Bekwazi ukuthi ungacwayeza kathu ngawukhuluma sithi
apha nomhlalelo umfazi wakho but ama artists amaningi phela futhi abafazi bethethu bathi dathatela abadatela chomo lami Karida. Karida. Ini ke? Karida deda.
Katwena unjani be?
I-problem la ngithatha ngizumuntu uthi obviously nxa podcast umuntu omubi. Asomuntu omubi.
I know.
Angamanga yini?
No, but when you're asking the right question.
Yeah,
but
good question. Like, wena unkosi wakho
yeah.
uloku like since day 1. Ali le 2 kids that is.
Three
3 now.
Hey.
Yabo? But abanye bayenza 1 mntwana. Kwasokuthi awuzambezi ube wadlula.
Because
Gelezile. Where is Kotuza bezodlula. Uyemile kwape mazini.
no, but
I mean I can mention amabizo ngiyabazi.
mention amabizo. Kanjalo. Mkhuze.
Tata diyalo boni. Into omnyothozo tombethe seyempi. Uzangikhona she.
No, but
It's one of those ama-artists bayathathelwa bafazi.
No,
I-problem kuyini? Because baningi uyabazi wena abazi.
no, listen, Nelson.
Awubazi.
Asoze ngikhulume abantu.
I respect.
And listen, at the end of the day, I've been with my wife for some time now, but listen, at the end of the day, it's not easy, you know, because we have to like, say the same thing, like when we show you, you guys, you know, I like Uti vibe, you know. But it's not always rosy, but even roses with thorns. Normally, but you know, if you are a smart man, you can recognize a blessing.
Yeah, it's very true.
Know, when it's given to you. And my wife has been a big blessing in Piloniam. You know, Nama flop, I flopped. You know, here and there. You know, she's fought with me. She's been patient with me. She has taken her time and she's nurturing. You understand? And I'm blessed to have her. But that being said, does not mean it's easy, God.
Good trick. Good tense.
Yeah. But there was where I was like shocked was when I was going through this most difficult part of my journey, Empilweni, where I lost everything. I lost people who were my support system, and one out, you know, and you know, to the point of being homeless, being kicked out of homes, you know, not knowing what to do, what's going to happen the next day. That woman stuck around.
Yeah.
Yo, bro, and there was a time like I thought this one.
This
one is gonna leave. When I started smoking, I was like, because this one day, I was like, ngicabanga ukuthi but sengingolova. Ngapha sengibisintuthu endlini.
Sokufiwa.
Wathi ndintuthu yama cigarette. Hey, why. Lapha sesikhala yena.
Sebegqoja.
Sengidembelela. You know, for my stresses, you know. And then I don't know, you know, she just came to understand why I was doing it.
Yeah.
And she just accepted me the way I was. So, like, to be honest, guys, I hope she doesn't change. But
engathi utshintsha yini ngathi
come on, you know.
Can't.
Listen,
Ngabe utshintsha
abantu abahlala 30 years and then they divorce after 30 years.
It's rare.
40 years.
Uthi no wachuza kuzi into azinkinga. Inkinga azinkinga ku foundation.
Ansabe sesihlalela abantwana.
Jom badlula umuntu uyadlula labantwana lo mfazi. That is the family.
Wena.
Ayifusi indawo.
Ayifollow siyaxoxana.
No, uthemba themba ngani?
Uyakwazi ukuthi
It's fine, my guy.
indawo encane. So people fight for resources but are women resources? But women are resourceful. So kwesinsikhathi maybe bengakubona ukuthi
Ayuthi lato video standa standing. Ama yellow pony is the queen. Ngaba ibag yabona yi. Kuyawukhetla kunje so separator. You understand? So at the end of the day nxa sokufika umnye ibhima away. Sukhala amantu akhala.
But Austin, one thing engizokutshela. Ungambona ekuchiya. Vele she wasn't meant for you.
Yeah, music. But nxa senze art la one. Ungazitshela ukuthi wena uli artist awusakhangela. Into lezena nje i-art kule art kule ndlini. Understand? I-art yes ngathi yayi because awusoze ungahamba usenza uperforma ungela send but endlini kunjani? Kuwomile. Wakombi kubeche ku right. But ungahamba uche womile uyahamba umuntu. So la ngoyidolo ukhona. But not wenza i-art uli celebrate famous and then
yakula uzothi ngichile leli dollar. But ngawulichiyela umuntu ongali appreciate ngithi still uzovala.
Yeah, so abe wrong abafazi bemadoda.
So it's fine. I think it's about finding the right and this one is difficult ngoba lokhana igame ye chance lapha. Either uNkulunkulu ukunikezile umuntu ozokuthanda vele whether you are poor or you are rich.
So ndabe uchoice yini?
Asondaba yechoice.
Lapho ngena khona ichoice.
Unimazela ngaphi lo muntu ukuthi unjani? Listen, umuntu uzohlala laye 10-15 years ucabanga ukuthi uyamazi.
Mina lami bantatela.
Akuthi
lama jidami sibane. Nebenzi ukukhuluma amabizo. Mana njani la?
Ay sorry.
Alright. So alright. Zwana mtala.
Mina ngaba lenhlanje ukuthi anithathelwa ngumfazi but girlfriends yase babethathwa.
But
my wife mhlawumbe
basomthatha
you never know.
Ayakula. Sesiyanga. So kathesi wena uyibamba njani impilo since kwabuya usathaniwa ubuya la leyo lo movie labona abathakathi abaloya into ezasona eziyana. Karesi into yakukume njani kathesi?
No bro, like ngiyambona ngakana.
Back to normal.
Ngiyambona ngakana.
But I don't know to wile but when I yazimwa.
Bro, you know mina one thing esengayifunda ngempilo is angigcinwa ngayimali yomuntu.
Wazenzela.
There's no single penny yomuntu. Babuya abantu but they're trying to help me and then they'll mess up my life and then they walk away and they think I'll be ruined. But listen, like I don't know. God like favors me, in a way ukuthi Raspo no. Only go Kasamba base.
All right. I was on approach to be ngisebenzela since ule talent.
No, unfortunately I've never, and I think the reason why ukuthi like they discover each other lo Carter. Yabo Carter had approached me when he wanted to do music.
All right.
And
so vele abafana bonke laba ngabafana bako
at that time I was like getting into ezinye izinto, so I just said Carter, let me just try and help you set up as a producer. And then he took off and then he was doing things with Oras Boom.
Because ufozwa vele izandleni zakho, Carter vele izandleni zakho.
Yeah.
These people. So wena nguthi baba lapho.
These are my boys, man. These are my boys, man. My boys, man. And listen, enyabathanda bonke abafana. Yazi and I
noma bekumbuluzela.
Yeah, kulabanye bakhona who are out here certain sentiments. How smoke uyazenzisa wa and it's fine. It's everyone is wonke umuntu uvunyezi ukucabanga the way they want to think about you. You cannot force umuntu to like you or to cabanga good things about you. You can't. But unless we have a conversation like this, but this is a real conversation, I need. But how many people can you have this kind of conversation with? And when I mina ngiyachaya
Smokey
namele la mamonya lapha wamalight la
ndoda ama artists force they are full of shit. When Smokey ama artists force they are full of shit. Amaningi. Yes, ayingaphandle kwakwenza into njani. abanye iproblem yethu thina sifuze enza abangcono singekongcono yiko bona sehlule ukubamba nisiphume something okungcono
for sure
kare somnye ngamlanda nje uthi thwa mina ngifuna 1000 ngapha ugqoki ibhushu uyaqhuma lapha ifela zethu notimba
into leyo problem abantu manje ngawo abakhangela labanye abantu
hayi
oyo umuntu abezifaka net worth yakhe wathi mina vele I'm worth what uyanthola
hayi that's bullshit
wena ngathi
mina kuwe smoki ungathi video angiyezithethe incanyilayo but kulala nto uthi yabona ivela lapha iphela ngiyadlala lapha mina mfuku adozifu unceda yena I see kone let's move on but yeah ngathola but hayi impilo
ndozalele isibindi le
mina lesibhamu phela chama swani amudubuluduve
wamuza umasikali wathi inhlali intshantshwe edlula la iyofela phambili
wena li artist la futhi la wena zonke
ngiyamthanda umasikali
uyamthanda
umasikali
all right
yeah no he's a lyricist man
uyazama
uyabulala
and then there's this uThomba Pablo
Pablo 7
but ifuzi kulama artists but abafuna
Pablo 7 I remember I even had like a conversation with him maybe 1 or 2 months ago wayesengitshela ukuthi yena ngasaculi
sengipastor
sengumuntu yecawa
njengofozi sebe profita sebebona vele
kanti problem
sebebona kanti ngamanga yini
ayeboniswa phela
alright abantu kumele besincede since uartist sisafa kangaka kumele besibless miracle man
it takes time you know if it's a true calling ngawulubizo lweqiniso I believe in callings you know uNkulunkulu and kuthiwa God doesn't call the qualified, he qualifies the called.
All right.
Yeah, kuyizwe le.
It's vice versa.
Yeah, kuthiwa you know uNkulunkulu doesn't look to ukuthi wena ulani, are you spiritually or what? You know, he'll take you as you are and then he'll qualify you.
Kule inye leyi uthiwa smoke uyathi njengomntu.
Anjengo nyabetha ananyasha injengo. Now vele listen, right. At the end of the day I'm not embarrassed to say Yantola, this is the lifestyle. Yeah, and it has helped me to connect with certain people whom at the time when I had a little something, they thought I was not accessible. You understand? It has helped me connect with, you know, the community. Even now, music is a bit different because now I can connect with like regular, you know, township people that some of them I grew up with, and it has helped me reshape my music. Yeah, so njengu chibuku super bra, if you meet me, yo, yeah, let's go.
Spogi. What producer kasamba bezimbani?
Producer kasamba bez. I know Carter was a part of it. DJ Trotsky. I don't know. Yeah, I think there was Trotsky. Why? But I don't know the beat. It was remade. But I was also a part of the project, the production. You know, to a small extent. You know, I helped tweak his into here and there.
Is that yesterday vessel mzali fake uqineni lezi.
Wena ngohlabele eqineni.
Nasalanda
the way the thing was made. But wena khanyela wena wabuya before a legend. Imagine mina a legend. Andona ngofika labona wathi lekandilile nikelele.
Hayi. So thina uthi mdala alright sini azwana mdala. Right, sesivala lapha. Uthi senze njani? Uzabathi uthini ngathi thina ama artists especially ama upcoming wonke weforce, ama upcoming wonke. Ubanike ama advice, ama upcoming wonke. Lama upcoming producers, lama upcoming artists wonke.
I think the first thing is let's change our drugs. Yeah, I think that's the first thing. I think we have a big drug problem in Victoria Falls and it needs to be addressed. The small boys, Bafunu, I don't know, they're trying to portray Impilole, American, but it's not good. And intole ukuthi uthiwa ama drugs akhuzwa ukuthi people are poor la asozungijele mina. Ukuthi codeine ibhodlela khona uthiwa it costs $10. $10 uyimbhodlela khona ukyana. You know, that's a lot of money to spend on a habit, a bad habit. You know, because if you're spending $10 a day,
Ushule
so
mali.
you're not poor when
Ule mali.
you understand. So it's probably like mental poverty. But I feel like let's try and stay away from drugs. Drug abuse, it's not helping our community. And that's the first thing. Second thing is let's learn to respect each other. When it comes to music, everyone is important. You're a music producer, you're starting, you've been there for a long time, for the longest, it doesn't matter. A hit song can come from anyone.
Sponda.
So respect, but also respect for your elders is also way more important.
Yeah, very
know
true.
your roots, know where you come from, respect each other, and work hard. And this, I think that's it. That's it.
Ngasifuna ukusipana, sifuna into zamahala.
Bra.
Akubi.
Okwamara ikufa.
Lenjengu
Okwamara
for 3 wena wente dollar for 3 uthi ngoba $2 uthenga case. Wena.
Yeah, but I alright. Yabona injengo ne. When it comes to lena bayithi Murula le noma 50 cent. Now don't do those 50 cent things. Ngiyacela guys. Ngifuna ngofana incane. Hayi.
Kari birthday wena.
Oh, birthday is coming up 26th of August. But Mfungwen's bash on the 29th,
All right.
It would be my first ever bash. So, yeah,
Line up.
date.
Line up
Line up when I went to a service stage.
Uzunje wakwanting. So ama best artist first ongena ama big dogs Ovido. Akula muntu ondlu perform force mana kutshele. Akula muntu ondlu
wabalekile kasamba bezi performance that day. Akubonto wabaleka.
Ngamvele eJohannesburg ngipariwendeke mina. Ngachindeke mina.
Phakathi kwengcibe.
Zwana utshela afuna kube bekwazi ukuperform abanye. Izinto isibulala wena. Abantu ba perform into zokudlala, abantu bafuna ukuriyesa.
Yeah.
Uthi asambe stage msefika anzange ngithi kumbasa kusambezwa kwakumnandi kwakufiwa. But ngitsho nje ama artists abafunda ukuperform abanye ngabaperform bamajagi like celebrities.
No,
Lilweni yafangale wabe gibiyembe lobo bidbende gibiyembe kusifiwa wena ufuna ungena ubamba ijagi.
Uzenza ngcono. Yes man, into ngcono ngina.
Masichiye kolapha. But akumele bafundise like into abantu babe serious ngelife. Sike ukukhalela into ezingazaziyo singakwazi ukuperform.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
So
Take music seriously, man. It's a profession, it's business.
Influence from
Yeah. Best venue still to be announced, but look out for Shisanyama, either Shisanyama or Explorer. Don't Explorers, Comfort. Either Shisanyama or Comfort.
For free or there's a
Uyobhadala ayibeshi yami yamahala.
mina ngiyaperform ngabhadala mina vele bengiqaqanga ngiyamphetha umbhobho one ine volovolo vela mbambeki cha abantu
So yeah, I think just follow me on Facebook at Smokey P Music. I think I'll be putting our updates, and then on Facebook. But